Meet the woodpecker, the bird with a built-in jackhammer. This bird can peck up to 20 times per second without getting a headache. Their beak acts like a chisel. Perfect for breaking into tree bark to find insects and larvae. Look at that tongue. It's so long. It wraps around the woodpecker's skull when it's not in use, helping it snatch bugs from deep inside trees. And with specialized feet and stiff tail feathers, woodpeckers can cling to tree trunks, making them expert climbers. A bird built for survival, the woodpecker is one of nature's toughest creatures. Subscribe now.